What if a pickup truck came with no touchscreen, no color options, and crank windows, and buyers were lining up anyway? The 2027 Slate Truck is doing exactly that. It's a stripped-back all-electric pickup starting under $27,000, and it's about to challenge everything we thought a modern truck needed to be. Here are 7 reasons this thing is going to shake up the small truck segment in a way nobody saw coming. Number 7. Simple and effective. Walk up to a Slate Truck and the first thing you're noticing is what's missing. No glossy paint, no chrome trim, no body lines fighting for attention. The exterior is composed of plain gray composite panels, unpainted matte and entirely unapologetic about it. That's not an oversight. That's the philosophy. Slate is built around the idea that a truck doesn't need to perform luxury, it just needs to work. And when you step inside, that same thinking carries straight through the door. 2 seats, a low center console, rotary climate controls, a 4-inch digital cluster that doubles as a backup camera display. That's the interior. Most buyers today are paying for screens they barely use and trim levels they never asked for. The Slate strips all of that out, and what's left is a cabin that feels open, functional, and honest. No touchscreen dominating the dash, no over-engineered interface to navigate. Just controls where controls need to be and space where space belongs. Minimalist? Yes. Bland? Not quite. There's a coherence to it, a deliberate restraint that makes the Slate feel like it was designed with a point of view, not assembled by a committee chasing feature checkboxes. And that restraint isn't just about aesthetics. It's actually what makes the next reason so compelling, because Slate is using that blank canvas in a way no truck maker has tried before. Number 6. Endless configurability options. Here's where the Slate story gets genuinely interesting. The bare gray truck rolling off the line is less a finished product and more a starting point. Most truck buyers know the frustration of building out a configurator online, choosing between packages that bundle features you want with ones you don't, paying for a trim level just to unlock a single option. The Slate flips that entirely. You start with the base truck and add exactly what matters to you, nothing more. Slate is launching with over 175 factory-designed accessories and more than 100 wrap colors available from day one. And that list is going to grow because Slate is opening its marketplace to third-party makers as well. Want to change the look? Full vehicle wraps start at $499. A few hours, a new color, a completely different truck. Want a different vibe inside? Zip-on seat covers, door panel inserts, and interior color kits are on offer with a full interior refresh coming in under $500. Need more from the bed? Roof racks, track systems, and cargo solutions are in the catalog. Want audio? There's a Bluetooth speaker that attaches with 4 bolts and a single electrical connection, and it pulls out of the cab to work as a portable unit. Power windows, LED turn signals, new wheels, grille covers. The Slate is going to be one of the most personalized trucks on the road, precisely because it starts as the least personalized one. That blank canvas isn't a limitation, it's the whole point. But all that configurability only matters if the truck underneath is worth building on. And when you look at what's powering it, the case gets a lot stronger. Number 5. Straightforward but competent powertrain. Nobody is buying a Slate truck for drag strip bragging rights, and that's fine, because the powertrain is built for the kind of driving most people actually do. Behind the rear axle sits a single electric motor producing 181 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, driving the rear wheels through a direct drive transmission. 0 to 60 is estimated at 8.0 seconds. Not quick by EV standards, but entirely adequate for commuting, errands, and lighter hauling. At 4,050 pounds, the Slate is a featherweight for an electric truck, and early ride impressions suggest it feels quicker than the numbers imply. Range comes from a 63 kilowatt-hour battery, good for an estimated 205 miles. Charging through the standard NACS port, DC fast charging handles a 20 to 80% fill in about 30 minutes. A level 2 charger does the same in roughly 4 hours. The powertrain handles daily life without drama, but if you're wondering whether the truck is set up to carry and haul the way a real truck should, that's exactly where we're headed next. Number 4. Utility in focus. A truck that skips the luxury but doubles down on practicality. That's the Slate's core identity, and the numbers back it up. The bed runs 60.5 inches long with the tailgate closed, stretching to 80.7 inches with it down, with 35.1 cubic feet of cargo space, more than a Ford Maverick's 33.3. And here's something compact trucks often miss. Where do you put the stuff you don't want sliding around in the bed? Slate answers that with a 7 cubic foot frunk up front, covered, lockable, and completely separate from the main load. Inside, 2 covered dashboard cubbies and a low open center console keep the cabin functional and easy to clean. It's a working truck, and it's set set up accordingly. Good utility numbers are one thing, but a truck also needs to perform when there's real work attached to it, and that's where the next chapter takes things up a level. Number 3. Work capabilities that do the job. A truck that can't pull its weight literally isn't much of a truck. The Slate is rated to tow 2,000 pounds and carry a payload of up to 1,550 pounds in standard pickup configuration. For anyone who's priced out a proper work truck lately, that context matters. Half-ton trucks have ballooned past $50,000 and even compact options are pushing $35,000 before you add anything useful. A truck rated for 2,000 pounds of towing and 1,550 pounds of payload at a $26,400 starting price is a serious proposition for tradespeople and small contractors who need capability without the overhead. The 10-year, 110,000-mile powertrain and battery warranty is worth calling out too, among the longest in the market, beating even Hyundai and Kia. For maintenance, Slate is partnering with a Repair Pal network of over 3,000 shops, with Slate U covering everything from routine upkeep to accessory installation. So the worksite is covered. But what happens when you need this truck to carry more than 2 people? That answer is coming up, and it might be the most unexpected thing Slate has done with this vehicle. Number 2. The SUV conversion. This is the feature that genuinely separates the Slate from everything else in the segment. 2 conversion kits are going to turn this pickup into a 5-seat SUV, no factory retooling, no trade-in. A lot of buyers want a truck for the utility but need to carry more than 2 people regularly. Normally that means compromising, going bigger, spending more, or losing the bet entirely. The Slate doesn't ask you to make that choice. The squareback kit adds a rear cap and a second row that brackets into the bed, starting around $31,400. The fastback brings a sloping roofline for another $2,000. With rear seats folded, cargo volume expands to 58.4 cubic feet. With them up, the SUV becomes a genuine 5-seater for shorter trips. If life changes, the truck can change with it. Buy the pickup now, convert when the family grows, convert back when circumstances shift. That kind of flexibility across a vehicle's ownership life is unprecedented in this segment, and all of it would mean a lot less if the price didn't make sense. But when you see what the Slate is actually asking for all of this, that's when the full picture comes together. Number 1. Strong value. When everything else is set aside, the conversation keeps coming back to one thing. The Slate Truck is going to be one of the most affordable new vehicles on the US market. For years, buyers shopping for a practical electric vehicle have hit the same wall. Real-world utility starts well north of $35,000, and compact trucks aren't much cheaper. The Slate is about to change that math entirely. Base pricing sits at $26,400 with destination. That's less than a Ford Maverick, less than a Nissan Leaf, and less than almost any new truck available today. SUV configurations top out around $33,400. For that money, buyers are getting a 10-year warranty, 205 miles of range, a 2,000-pound tow rating, and a platform that converts between truck and SUV on demand. The crank windows and gray panels aren't compromises. They're how Slate keeps the price where it is. Over 180,000 people placed deposits before the final price was even announced. That's not curiosity. That's a segment that's been underserved for years, finally seeing something built for them. 7 reasons, one clear through line. The Slate Truck is rewriting what an affordable pickup can be. Minimalist design, a customization system that puts the buyer in control, a competent powertrain for everyday use, genuine utility and work capability, and the ability to convert between truck and SUV as life demands, all of it starting under $27,000. That's not a compromise vehicle. That's a calculated one, arriving at exactly the right moment. But the Slate Truck isn't the only small pickup that's coming next year. Ford is releasing its affordable electric pickup, and you can check that one out in our next video. Ranger's size and the Maverick's price, the Blue Oval Company is about to confirm its reputation as the ultimate truck maker once again.